Hi, my name's Kat McDowell, and I'm a singer-songwriter and origami teacher here on YouTube. I post music-related videos, origami videos, and the occasional vlog, so if you'd like to see more videos from me, make sure that you hit subscribe, hit that bell button, and you'll get more. Let's get folding! Making a Christmas tree, let's do it! Gonna fold it in half. We're going to fold this in half again. Okay, and open it up. And let's flip it over. Flip it over. All right, now we're gonna fold this corner to this corner. And crease it here. Ooh. Crease it here. Open it up. Whoops. Open it up. Make it pop. Woohoo! Look at that. It's popped. And then we're going to fold it down. Okay. And then squash it down. Squash it, squash it. All right. Squash it down, and we are going to take a flap, and there's a little pocket in here. So put your finger inside this pocket, push down the center, this tends to help. Push down and put it flat on the table. Push down, center it, and then trace your finger up. Slide these down, and we're gonna do this with all four sides. And let's flip it over. All right, whoops, let's do it this way. Okay, and same thing. Slide finger inside and center it. Pull it down, slide up. Here we go. All right. So it should kind of look like this from a bird's eye view. All right, and we have all of these unnecessary spots. So let's cut this. Put it down here like so. 1, 2, 3, or however many you want to do. Just don't cut it all the way across. Like so. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to now make the leaf like this. You can do whatever angle you want. Okay, and then let's flip the page, same thing.
Matching socks hung up red and white. Sharing stories told 1,000 times, 1,000 times, 1,000 times. The way that you hold me, the way that you know me, and nobody gets my jokes the way you do. Ooh. And I'm always laughing 'cause you're always dancing. The fun that I'm having whenever I'm with you. I'm with you, yeah. I'm home. You always make it feel like it's Christmas, like it's Christmas, like it's Christmas. When I'm home, you always make it feel like it's Christmas, like it's Christmas, like it's Christmas Day. You make it feel like, make it feel like. You make it feel like, make it feel like.
This is our little tree.
You always make
How
it
cool is that?
feel like it's Christmas. And when I'm home,
I hope you enjoyed today's origami lesson. Remember to subscribe if you like these videos, and please, please tag me in your photos if you ever post them. I'd love to see them. I also make origami live on Twitch, so come and hang with me over there. I'd love to see you. If you want to hear more of my songs, there's a playlist here. If you want more origami tutorials, there's some right here. And lastly, I want to thank my Patreon supporters. Their generosity allows me to do what I do here on YouTube. So thank you, thank you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye!